Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix age restriction on X. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to open your X account, and then from here all you have to do is to go to the profile section. Once you go to the profile section, click on edit profile right here. Once you click on edit profile, scroll all the way down until you see the birth date section. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this message where edit date of birth. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. So this is a sensitive procedure where once you click on edit, it's going to open for you this section. And from here, you can now finally change the date for whatever you want. Just make sure that you put the correct one on the first time, because if you do it multiple times, your account might be affected or reported for being a scam or an AI bot. Once that is done, click on save. And one more procedure that you can do to help fix the issue is to go to the more settings, then settings and privacy. Then from here, you're going to search for account, and then from here, you're going to search for country. Once you set the country, going to click on country right here, and then you can change the country, and based on each country, there are some different rules for whatever age you are in. So you can search for whatever country that has the best rules for age restriction, depending on your own age, and you can select whatever you want. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.